Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome to my another vlog. Here I bring you some blooming bromeliads. Bromeliads के these varieties bloom करता है, they bloom and look at their pretty blooms and their color. Here you will see 3 to 4 different varieties of bromeliads blooming. They are basically kept for their blooms. They are very pretty. और ये फूल करीब आपका 2 से 3 महीने तक लास्टिंग करता है. दिस फ्लावर्स और दिस ब्लूम्स लास्ट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2 to 3 एंड समटाइम्स to 4 months. तो इसका कलर एंड डिफरेंट वैरायटी आप देख सकते हो. दे आर वेरी प्रिटी, इजी टू मेंटेन, इजीली मल्टीप्लाइज. As days pass on, the color becomes more brighter and beautiful. So I'll show you another variety of the same bromeliad family, different color and different pattern of flowers blooming. ये एक color है, आप देख सकते हो. The color is so pretty. So these are basically the leaves that seems like bloom on top. They got new color, but the previous one जो पहले दिखाया था वो bloom था. Okay. So they are very pretty. नीचे से ये stem लंबा हो जाएगा and then they turn into this color. And once the mother plant dies, other babies will shoot out from the sides. Side से उसका babies निकलेगा. So here I'll take you to another variety. ये Telencia pink quilt का ही family से है and they are the same plants but इसका bloom थोड़ा different होता है. You can see like they are having एक ही branch में they are having like 5, 6, 7 to 8 shoots of buds जिसमें bloom आता है. They are pinkish green और pinks अलग से bloom आता है. जिसने मैंने पहला वाला लाइव देखा है उसको मालूम है पिंक क्विल के बारे में. So friends, आप लोग प्लीज़ मेरा अलग डिफरेंट वीडियोस भी चेक कीजिएगा, शॉर्ट्स देखिएगा. एंड इफ़ यू रियली लाइक यू कैन सब्सक्राइब एंड फॉलो our channel for any information on any type of plants. So I'll take you to another variety of bromeliads and you'll really love it. You'll get mesmerized. आपको बहुत ही यूनिक लगेगा ये प्लांट. Look at this bloom. ये bloom देखिए आप कितना ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Look at the color and देखिए इसमें करीब 10 से 12 blooms निकला है. This is very pretty. ये फूल भी आपका करीब 4 महीने तक रहेगा and then gradually it will dry up. And dry होने के बाद the mother plant will die and the other baby shoots will come out. So starting का bloom ऐसा होता है. Isn't it pretty? So here I have another color of bromeliad bloom for you. You can check. These are the colors of bromeliad blooming. So if you're really interested in bromeliads and knowing about them, do check my other long videos and subscribe Greendale. We will bring you solution and exposure to different plants and plant families. So friends, enjoy the video and thank you so much for always being there for us. For any other important message or suggestion or question, please do write to us in the suggestion box or I'll say comment section and then we will get back to you at the earliest. These are another varieties of bromeliads you can see. These are very pretty and very cute. Light makes them really happy and these are easy to take care and less to maintain. So ये इसका pink variety में भी आता है, you can see, and with variegated leaves. So if you're really interested, do like our video, do comment, and if you get a chance, please अगर आपको चांस मिलता है तो अपने गार्डन में ब्रोमेलियड जरूर रखें.